Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm just taking y'all through a regular routine of a squat day for me for heavy squats. So I'm gonna just have this in the background while I talk over it. As you can see, this is my warm up. Nothing crazy, nothing serious. If y'all want me to break it down each piece on why I do what I do, just leave a comment and I would do that for you. Right now I'm just getting loose. I did 4 minutes of the assault bike to get my legs nice and warmed up, and that exactly is the purpose, guys. You want to do a general warm-up, then a specific warm-up, as you can see as I'm doing it right here. Quick side note, guys, if your squat looks like this, you are wrong. Okay, that's why I have it in red. So if you do not have weightlifters, you can take 2.5 pound plates or 5 pound plates. You can put it under the heel of your feet, and then that will do the trick. Or you can buy some shoes and get weightlifters and you'll be good to go. If you have perfect ankle mobility and all that, then you don't need either one. You are good. All right, guys, so I really cannot stress the importance of proper squatting. Okay, get your ego out the way and squat the proper way. All right, so what I like to do is start real light. So this is 140 pounds. I like to do this for 10 times, and just focus on technique. Brace your core, screw your feet into the ground, chest up, looking. You want to not look straight ahead or look up. You want to look at a angle down in front of your feet. And when I increase the weight, in 50 pound increments. If that's what you want to do, like I said, that's good. Don't go too heavy. Don't increase 100 pound increments or whatever. Don't go too low either. Don't do 5s and 10s, because that's just wasting time. So I found 50 pounds is my sweet spot. So after I do all my warm up, I start with my first set. So this is 305 pounds. I have to do 5 times. As you can see, as I get at the bar, I'm putting the bar on my upper traps, guys. All right. So you do not want to put it on your spine, because you do not want to break your spine with all that weight on there when you go down. All right, you want to put it on the meaty part of the traps. You can tell it's on the meaty part of the traps when your traps are digging in and it feels good. I ain't gonna lie. All right, brace your core. This is 320 pounds, guys. Brace your core. All right, squat properly. And this is when I start using my knee sleeves. This is 340 pounds. So you can kind of see my abs through my shirt. That's good. Okay. This is 360 pounds. So as you can tell, I'm just taking 2 steps out. You do not want to take 3 to 4 steps out the hole, because you're just wasting time. You're just wasting energy. Get the bar up, take 1 or 2 steps out, and just start squatting. Okay, this is 380 pounds. So as you can see, I got my belt on to make sure that it's nice and tight. So once I get it on, then I will start to lift, guys. So I'm preparing myself. As you can see, every lift is the same. I start every lift the same. I just make sure that my hands on the bar is proper. Then I'll make sure it's on the meaty part of my traps. Then I step underneath the bar. Then I brace my core, and then I just push up with my full body. I'm not pushing the bar up with my arms, my shoulders, my hands, nothing. All this is all legs, guys. That's what you want. Take a nice deep breath. Go down, control it, and then come all the way up.